In this video, you see how this mini table was created. It was made on a Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This is one of the 4 legs which took 2.5 hours to print. Here's the cross part which connects all table parts. Finally, there's one of the 4 table parts, a 6-hour print. Here's a small version which was scaled at 50%. Let's disassemble this table to see how it works. First, the 4 legs were unscrewed. Then the table parts were slid off the cross-shaped part. Now let's assemble the bigger original version. But first, the supports have to be removed, which was not too difficult. And then the table part is ready to be assembled. An M30 thread was used to mount the legs. Now let's assemble the whole table. And see the result. Perfect as a coffee table, bedside table, or room decoration. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel, see you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.